Now, up next, we're going to be taking a look at your device bidding strategy. Now, um, a certain device is going to yield a better result depending on the type of campaign strategy that you may have. So if you are running a demand campaign, an emergency-based campaign for, service, you might be running a plumbing demand, electrical demand, or maybe an HVAC demand campaign. Those campaigns perform way better on mobile phones than they do on desktop. Whereas if you are running a replacement or installation campaign, any sales campaign is going to do pretty well on desktop. So you want to be able to shift your budget at the campaign level, so that you're putting your money to work at its greatest efficiency. So I'm okay in throwing away a handful of desktop leads, and replacing those leads with mobile, because they are usually better quality and I get better efficiency out of them. Now, there are certain exceptions to that rule, and I'm going to walk you through that now. So here's what I'm looking at. I'm in a city plumbing campaign, and I am clicking on search keywords, and I went ahead and I chose a segment. If I click on segment here, I can segment the performance by device. And you can see I have all my KPIs going across here. Now, I'm looking at a data set of a few months. You never want to make decisions based on just a handful of days or weeks. You want really good data over the course of a business cycle, and that's usually a season. All right, so here we have, and I'm just going to focus in on this one keyword here, plumber, Mesquite, Texas. Good keyword, good lead gen. I'm getting a good cost per lead. Healthy click-through rate. This is what we want to see. And my conversion rate, I'm at a 63.44% conversion rate on that one keyword. So this one keyword is definitely one of those keywords that's going to drive in revenue. Now, how can I make this number, this 145 number, better? So if I drill in and I look at the details, because controlling Google Ads is all about getting into the details. So 6 conversions from a desktop, a computer, at $269 compared to a mobile phone of $132. So I get way better efficiency on mobile phones than I do on a computer search. I have way better response rates, and I have a much higher conversion, almost double the conversion on mobile, and a reduction of about half on mobile as well on a cost per lead basis. Now, all I have to do here is tell Google, hey Google, I want to spend 99% of my budget for this campaign on mobile devices. And you can see that this is pretty consistent going across the entire spectrum of this campaign. And then what you start to see is your average cost per lead is going to shift way down. Garland Plumber, 6 leads at $326 on a computer, $202 on mobile, at about a 50% conversion. So you can see if I'm optimizing just these 2 keywords, I can save 1,600, almost 2,000. I'm doing pretty well. If I look at it from a keyword by keyword basis, I'm going to start cutting costs and shifting the budget to the areas where I have much greater efficiency, and that will definitely improve your overall return on ad spend. The only exception to this rule, and you're going to run into this if you're in a major market. If you look at like Plumber Dallas, these numbers are pretty close together. When you're bidding on a major market keyword, you're going to spend a lot. So you can see, even if I were to spend more on mobile here, I still get greater efficiency on a cost per lead basis. So that's something you want to look at. How can you shift the budget to the areas that are performing the best? All you have to do is go to keywords and segment over a period of 90 days or more and start reallocating where your budget is going to maximize performance. Hey, it's Steve with Ad Machines. Thanks for watching my training video. There's a lot more that I have built. All you have to do to watch videos just like this one, go to freeppctraining.com. That's freeppctraining.com. Thank you, and hopefully we're helping you have an impact here on your lead generation performance.